Hey there, gorgeous. Are you ready to elevate your skincare game with some frankincense essential oil? Of course you are. So today we're going to talk about how to use frankincense oil and specifically how to use frankincense oil on your face. Thus, we're in the bathroom. First things first, let's talk about how to use frankincense oil. This magical oil can be used in so many ways, but today we're going to focus on its skincare benefits. You can use frankincense oil on its own or mix it with your favorite carrier oil like jojoba oil or coconut oil. Now let's talk about how to use frankincense oil on your face. Frankincense oil is great for improving skin tone, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and promoting a healthful, youthful glow. To use frankincense oil on your face, start with a clean and dry face. Then take a few drops of frankincense oil and massage it in circular motions. Don't forget to focus on areas that might need extra love, like your forehead, around your eyes, and your neck. Don't be afraid to give yourself a facial massage. You can also use gua sha to help stimulate the collagen and to help with lymphatic drainage. Now let's talk about some other ways to use frankincense oil. You can add a few drops to your bathtub for a relaxing and rejuvenating experience. You can also diffuse frankincense oil to create an uplifting and calming atmosphere in your home. You can grab some of my favorite diffuser blends. I'll put a link in the description with a free PDF download with those favorite recipes of mine. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even use frankincense oil internally. You can use it in cooking. Just make sure you're using a high quality essential oil that's safe for ingestion. In fact, if you watch my bergamot essential oil video, you'll see how I use frankincense and bergamot and Roman chamomile for hormone balance. But back to skincare. If you're dealing with pesky blemishes, frankincense oil can also help. Just mix a drop or two with some Correct X and then go ahead and put it on those blemishes. And there you have it. Those are just a few of my many ways to use frankincense oil. You can also use my discount code below to unlock 25% off the absolute best and most potent frankincense on the planet. I'll put the link down in the description. And if you found this video helpful, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I upload a brand new video for natural and sassy skincare tips.